Hey. So if you hear it, hey guys, I said welcome to my channel. Today I'm unboxing. When you see I unboxed both my last video. I unboxed Jessie, Woody, and Bopeep for the sweatshirt for the Bopeep candy stand. Stand, but it's probably hard to get this stand because one leg is further out. The other leg is spaced out. So you can see I think never mind. So this is everything. This is her face, it's molded on. The paint job. Okay, the bow is pink and it's molded, but it's also kind of movable, so yeah, that's a good thing. And my hair is like weird, old-fashioned hairstyle. He's wearing this jumper, I guess. It has this print, look at that. And I have this belt. She's
How are you?
Oh, it's kind of broken.
I wonder.
See, I told you it's broken. I'm pressing it again, it's not working.
Hi, let's ride. Hi, I'm Bopeep.
That's one to think she said.
How are you? I wonder where Giggle is. Giggles is the best pet patrol officer Minneapolis ever had. Have you seen my sheep, Billy, Goat, and Gruff? I tell you, they were just here. You know, kids lose their toys every day, and that's okay.
That's some of the stuff she says. That she's wearing these molded on half dance like sneakers. They're pretty old-fashioned. They're not in fashion anymore. I don't think so. You probably wear these at ballet, and then look at that detail. The scrunchie.
You are the luckiest toy I know.
So I did Buzz and Bopeep. I think I'm gonna do Jessie next. Okay. Look at Jessie. Of course, you can see your paint job, and I think it's been done really well. Her hair is put into this braid with this bow. None of the stuff is removable except the braid. I think it's supposed to be like that though. Okay. Anyways, she's wearing a shirt and this thing, I guess. I guess these are part of her pants, but she's wearing this shirt, this white pointy shirt. The fringes, I guess, right there, and then like a fake button, and it has this cool print at the front, 2 buttons in the front, and then it has a collar that goes all the way around. And she has this fake little drawstring. Okay, so I think that's the batteries in her. Cool. And then she wears this belt with the blue shirt, but I want it. And then wears these blue, white, and black. Like this, she wears these blue jeans with cow print in the front, I guess. And then in the back there are jeans. And at the front here to just seeing these things. I don't know what you call it. And Buzz, you have to take a leash. That way I already showed you. Yeah, I forgot. But head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, and they're rubbery actually, which is a good thing. And he cannot move at the knee. They're just fake because if you look at the he can move that shoe list. Now Jessie is wearing these boots, and they're like cowgirl boots, I guess. And she has articulated the head and the shoulder, elbow, the wrist, the hip, and just the knee. That no ankle articulation. She has articulation at the head, shoulder, elbow, and that's it actually. Now in the ankle. A little bit. She can move like this, so I guess it counts. Now we're move on to Woody. So me and Jessie came at the hat. I don't know where they are. I had these about 2 years now, I'm gonna say. But this is his paint gummed really well. We can turn to the back and you will see there's that one paint mess up, but I guess it's okay because just a little one. And yeah, it doesn't really matter. He wears this long sleeve shirt that is plaid, I guess. It's like this square stuff around it. And he wears this vest, the cowboy on it, just like Jessie, so they match. And then he wears this bandana that's actually kind of movable because there's a little space in there. I don't think it's supposed to be like that though, and it's like really like kind of rubbery. Then he wears these blue pants. Then he wears this thing so you can put his gun in there. But yeah, that'd be really violent. Then he wears these cowboy or cowgirl boots. I just say cowboy because he's wearing them. He's a boy too. So let's see if you can see the print on that thing. I'll zoom in. Isn't there a cactus you're supposed to see? Okay, I'll zoom in. Oh, I can't see it. Can you other side? No, it's not gonna work. That print, yeah, that the cowboy, that's what I was talking. It's a cactus. With a little chainsaw thing, I guess. And then the holes. And then the boot doesn't say Andy on the bottom. I'm gonna try to get you to see that. No, it does not. It just says Disney Pixar 2013 Mattel. And it was made in China. That was it. Bye.